Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm doing a collab with my good friends here on YouTube, Johna and Niki Nami, and I will have their channels and everything linked down below. We are doing the Pot of Gold collab, so we're going to do a green and gold eye look today, and I am super excited to do that. I have tape already on my eyes. I look exhausted. Hopefully after I put some makeup on, I don't look this crazy. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started. Hey lovely people, so I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal and I'm using that to prime my eyes. I'm also going to use that Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, the shade Conch, to set that. It's my favorite setting shade right now. As you know, I'm trying to pan that palette. And setting. And then I'm going to go into the Karity palette and I'm going to use the shade Medusa. And I'm using this as my transition shade. This is a very green look. I think it's funny that I don't look very happy throughout all of this. I'm like half asleep, so I do apologize if my facial expressions just don't look nice. Then I'm taking the Okalan palette from Shop Hush, and I'm using the shade Moss to kind of deepen everything up and blend it all together. Gotta blend. Then I'm going into that same palette, and I'm taking the shade Stone and deepening that even more. This is more of like a khaki green that I'm placing on top of that mossy green. So I did also want to let you know I will have everything linked down below. I'm using the shade Minotaur's Gold from Rising Phoenix Cosmetics all over my lid. I slowed it down here because I just think this is a beautiful gold green kind of shade. It is a very different gold than anything else I have in my collection. I have a lot more yellow golds than ones that lean green, and I just thought this was perfect for this look. So there I am doing both eyes, making them look beautiful. I think the one eye I should have blended a little more, but you live, you learn, you see yourself on film, and you see all your mistakes. All of them. All of the mistakes. Yep, should have blended that eye a little more. Oh, goodness. So I'm just going over the edges to make sure that's blended in, but not that part. Then I'm taking my Super Cat Skinny eyeliner from Soap & Glory, and I'm going to do my wing. The one thing I like about using darker shades is if you mess up your wing, you can't really tell. It's still there, but sometimes it just blends in. And I kind of like that. And now we are going to watch the painful removal of the tape. I need to get myself some more of the other tape I was using because just regular tape, oh, it hurt. It hurts so bad. Oh, rip. And it's off. Now I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash, and I'm going to really do those lashes. So there's a part that's coming up that I was debating on editing out. Yep, there it is. Poked myself in the eye. I did it. And I kind of just smudge it. And then I blink again. Oh, and it's everywhere. My eye hurts so bad. It really did. It hurt. It woke me up, though. So, makeup wipe, clean it up. Oh, move on to the next eye. Yep. Sometimes you just have to show the realness that is your life when you're trying to film these videos. Because I don't think people understand. I can edit out all of that, and you guys would have never known I poked myself in the eye. But I did. I poked myself in the eye. Now I'm just getting my eyebrows ready because I'm going to use my NYX Tame and Frame Brow Pomade and do those brows. I sped this up because my brows can take forever, and I didn't want most of this video to be me doing my brows. So you're welcome there. I wish I could do my eyebrows this fast. It'd be awesome. There we go. So now I am using my Smashbox Radiance Primer. I'm just getting that all over to go in with my Max Factor Pan Stick. Yep, getting it. I'm almost done with this foundation too. Woohoo! Using up my foundations. I'm pretty proud of myself. Now I'm going to blend and buff that in and make it match my skin and just be all happy. Because when you first set it on there, it's like you can see all of your pores and it just does not look pretty. Now I'm going to take my Colourpop No Filter Concealer and just kind of set that all over the places that I want to highlight. I am just trying to use this concealer up. I have no intentions of repurchasing the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Then I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. This powder was sent to me from my friend here on YouTube, Amanda Gard. Thank you so much. I have been enjoying this powder. Blend, blend, get it all in. Next, I'm going in with the Kokie Cosmetics eyeliner, and this is in Forest Green. I love Kokie Cosmetics eyeliners. I'm going to set that with the shade Moss. And then there I am, looking for my mascara that now I'm going to put on my lower lashes. Yep, mascara is life. Then I'm going to go into my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to contour my face. And it doesn't always look the greatest when I do this. Then I'm taking the middle shade that's in this contour palette, and I'm using that as my bronzer. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Blush Quad, and I'm just going to take that blush. Next, I go into my BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette, and I use the shade Vivid because lately I'm in love with that shade. And we're just going to put that on our nose, our Cupid's bow. We're going to look beautiful. Now I'm going in with the Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Monday, and voila! Now I have to spray it with the Cover FX. Well, there you have it. Here is my finished look for this pot of gold makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please go check out Niki and Joe's channel. They will be listed down below for you. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you again, and bye!